I'm not kidding you. He changed his mind 45 times before I went to bed. Right now, everybody is really excited. Everyone in the house is teeth. So I have to appear like I am on the house. I will do whatever is necessary to make the house happy. Even if it includes I think we're all in it. That's the key is really in it. But I say to yourself the option, do whatever. So I walk in the backyard, I see, the table set up, champagne bottles next to us, some presents, and my first thought is, where are all the bridesmaids?
Dear beloved, we are gathered here today to witness the battle of the block. Frankie's nominees will battle Zach's nominees to save themselves from the chopping block. The winning pair will earn safety and dethrone their HOH, leaving him crying at the altar. Here's how it works. You and your partner must build a giant wedding cake. Once you have completed your cake, climb to the top of the